Hello students, myself Kabila Sayod, mathematics teacher. Today I will teach you lesson 5, numbers up to 100, part 14. Now open book page number 58. Open your book, page number 58. answer करेंगे increasing and decreasing order. इंक्रीजिंग मतलब होता है जब हम कोई भी नंबर छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाते हैं, जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। इस फॉर्म को हम बोलते हैं इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर। जब हम नंबर लिखेंगे 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. These are decreasing numbers. Okay. Now start. Arrange the number. Arrange these numbers in increasing order. अब हमको इस नंबर को increasing order में मैनेज करना है. ओके. अरेंज करना है. नंबर क्या है? 23, 47, 38, 45 एंड 56. now देखिए आपके बुक में एक दिया है. सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या है? 23. तो हम पहले क्या लिखेंगे? 23. नेक्स्ट 23 के बाद क्या है? 38. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट उसके बाद है 45. उसके बाद 47. लास्ट है 56. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The smallest number is 22. Sorry, track. These are numbers 22, 31, 42, 29 and 18. The smallest number is 18. Now start number 18. Next 18. Next is 22. Then next 29. Next is 30. And last number is 42. Now next row. Number is 18, 72, 64, 56 and 48. The smallest number is 48. 48. Next is 56. Next 64. Last is 72 and last 80. Okay, now next 21, 41, 90, 37, 45. This fourth number is 21, 41, 90, 27 and 45. The smallest number is 19. Now start number 19. Then greater number, उसके बाद का greater number है 21, next greater number 37. Now next greater number 41 and last the greater number is 1. Okay. Now next row 43, 35, 88. 76 and 38. The smallest number is 35. 35. Next 38. Next number 43. Now next number 1 minute, sorry. Now start 35, 43, now start 35, then 38, 43, 76 and last then 88. Now last row 42, 24, 84, 48 and 38. The smallest number is 24. Next, 38. Now next one, 42. Next, 48. And last 84. Okay, now see. यहाँ पे क्या है, इसको आप भरेंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, अरेंज these numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order. जब हम कोई नंबर बड़े से छोटे पर लिखते हैं, ये हमने जब छोटे से बड़े पर लिखा तो वो हो गया इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, और जब हम बड़े से छोटे पर जाते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. Okay, now start. 18, 28, 70, 39, 45. The biggest number is 45. Next very smaller number is 39. Now next is 28. Next 18. And last then 70. Okay, now next row 41, 24, 94, 86 and 83. Last biggest number is 94. 94. Next is smaller number 86. Next 83. 41. Last is 24. Next row 11, 71, 81, 31 and 42. 81 is the largest number. Biggest number, largest number. Now 81 is the biggest number. Now start number 81. Decreasing order. Biggest number is 81. Next is smallest 71. Next 42. Next is 31. And last is 11. Okay. Now next row 73, 47, 86, 68 and 32. 86 is the biggest number. Now start 86. Sorry, 86. Now last is 68. Next. Now start 86. 73, 68, 37, and last then 32. Now next row 40, 48, 18, 22, 34. Biggest number is 48. 48, next is 40, 34, 22 and last then 18. Now next row 39, 93, 30, 18, 47. First beginning is 93. Next there is smaller number 47. Next is 39, 18 and last then 30. Now please, यहाँ पे आप फिल करेंगे. Now next page 59. Now next page 59. Circle the smallest number in each row. ये आपको देखिए कितने होंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ये एक रो है. एक रो में कितना नंबर है? देखिए उसमें हमको क्या करना है? स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. स्मॉलेस्ट मतलब सबसे छोटा नंबर को हमें सर्कल करना है. 45, 48, 40, 34, 8, 17 and 25. What is that? This number is the smallest number. 8 is the smallest number. Now next 94, 49, 29, 47, 19, 17 and 28. 17 is the smallest number. Now next row 81, 50, 35, 84, 44, 78, 86. Now 15 is the smallest number. Now next row 42, 92, 72, 34, 94, 75 and 86. 34 is the smallest number. Now next is 53, 35, 45, 75, 88, 19 and 96. 19 is the smallest. 65, 85, 95, 59, 29, 35 and 48. 29 is the smallest number. Now next row, circle the greater number in each row. आपको क्या करना है? जो greater number, जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. Now start 21, 47, 46, 84, 75, 65, 87. 87 is the greater number. Now circle it. Now next row 64, 48, 58, 65, 71, 83 and 89. 89 is the greater number. Next row 86, 68, 57, 63, 84, 75 and 99. 99 is the greater number. Now next row 81, 87, 97, 27, 38, 45 and 76. 97 is the greater number. Now circle it. 6. Next row 64, 34, 84, 82, 73, 60 and 81. 84 is the greater number. Now last row 81, 17, 17, 87, 93, 85 and 99. 99 is the greater number. Now circle it. Okay, now please in your book. I will meet you next video. Thank you so much.